Good morning to all. This is our first initiative from the Department of Conservation Biology, Durgapur Government College. We are introducing our first newsletter. The theme is Indian Wildlife to commemorate the Indian World Wildlife Week 2022, which is celebrated every year from 1st of October to 7th of October 2022. The major aim of this newsletter is to generate different news on wildlife throughout our country, and our students will represent different parts of the country where different wildlife news has been made. So I will now welcome all my students who have given all their efforts in creating this newsletter, which you can see in the background, and one by one they will be telling about the news of wildlife in our country. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Myself also Soja.
Good morning. Myself Shreya Kesh.
We will be presenting the wildlife news of northern India, and here are some news we cover.
Himachal Wildlife going to extend snow leopard conservation program to Kinnor Chamba.
Himachal Pradesh is to open its 6th cow sanctuary, which is produced in the Sinui district, Sinui in the Simla district, and it will be also produce the biofertilizer and biopesticide, which will be sold in the local farmers.
Leopard spotted at Asola in Delhi.
Himachal Pradesh, in Himachal Pradesh, the CM is a target of 15,000 acres land to plant sampling, and according to the Hariyali Mahotsav, the 73rd One Mahotsav is presenting as Hariyali Mahotsav in the Himachal Pradesh.
Third rhino habitat to come up in Katania Ghat. There are two rhinoceros enclosure in Dudhwa, and the third one will come up in Katania Ghat, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttarakhand is first to produce education system about the man-animal conflict, which is aware about the man-animal interaction and about the basic things.
Over 40 trees felled in Manger Bani, Haryana.
A project by Turtle Survival India on the protecting of Chambal landscape about the freshwater turtle, where a red-crowned rooftop turtle is critically endangered by the IUCN.
Thank you.
Very good morning to all. I am Anisha Sharma, and today I will be discussing about the wildlife news in Indian islands. Good news for nature lovers. A new species of marine flatworm has been discovered in coral resorts of Lakshadweep. This new species belongs to the genus Bilaceras. Sea cucumber conservation plan has been initiated in Dr. K.K. Muhammad Koya Sea Cucumber Reserve in Lakshadweep. This attempt has been initiated to stop the smuggling of sea cucumbers. Leatherback turtles will be in threat if the development project starts in Little Andaman Islands. The development project will harm the nesting site of leatherback turtles. Overpopulation in Andaman and Nicobar Island have destroyed approx 45% of the forest cover, and mangrove forest of area approx 1 km square has been destroyed. Indian islands are facing high amount of coral bleaching, and to overcome this situation, coral transplantation plan has been initiated in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. My name is Srinana Kama, student of Center of Conservation Biology Department. Today I will discuss about the western part of India. My first news from Rajasthan is that Ramgarh Vistari Sanctuary in Rajasthan was notified as India's 52nd Tiger Reserve on 16th May 2022. 18 parakeet and 1 baby rhesus macaque were rescued in Vadodara. Conservation organization Wildlife SOS recently rescued 2 magar crocodile in Vadodara in Gujarat. Asiatic wild buffalo are endangered in Kolamata. MSBWN has active 12 new conservation reserves and 3 wildlife sanctuaries. A rare Indian pangolin was rescued by local people and handed to the Goa Forest Department. A small Indian civet was rescued in a well at Padadi in Pune. Yellow crazy ants are invasive species in Goa's ecology. Thank you.
Good morning everyone.
I am Ikshita Giri, a student of Conservation Biology, semester 3. So today I am here to discuss on the news of South India, wildlife news on South India. So in South India, there is a wide diversity of plants and animal species. South India is a home to huge varieties of animals, birds, reptiles and insects. Andhra Pradesh launched the first ever black buck survey on Godavari Islands. 1,122 carcasses of olive ridley turtle were washed ashore on the beaches of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. In Karnataka, food trees in Haligari village is now a sanctuary for huge birds. Union Minister of Forest, Environment and Climate Change, Bhupender Yadav, announced about one more elephant reserve in Tamil Nadu during a program in Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, 12 August 2022. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. Myself Zina Praveen.
Myself Shrita Singh, student of BG Department of Conservation Biology. Today we will be presenting of wildlife news in the northeastern part of India.
According to Times of India 2071, the gecko is a rare type of lizard which has been found in the forest of Nagaland.
Recently, a major step taken by Assam government that to burst the myth about the usefulness and prevent poaching, they would be burned the 2,479 pieces of horns in public view as per the Wildlife Protection Act 1972.
The latest discovery of a unique type of butterfly which has been discovered in the forest of Sikkim district.
During this process, they found world's largest horn.
In the year 2021, an endangered species of fishing cat was caught in the camera for the first time in the Panna National Park, and it is mostly seen in the forest of Sundarban.
The Manipuri brow and red deer will become limited in next 30 to 50 years due to the climate change. A modern study has shown that.
The endangered Sikkim grass, the Himalayan salamander lizard, makes a rare appearance in the Nepal.
Recently, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi will launching Project Cheetah on September 17.
3 new species of little horned frog discovered in the forest of northeastern India.
This is a proud moment for us. The Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park in Darjeeling is recognized as the best zoo as per Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. Alipur Zoological Park in West Bengal became 4th. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is Subodhi Mukherjee and I am a student of Conservation Biology. I am here to tell about the wildlife news of Central India. New 31 nesting spots of king cobra have been identified in Chhattisgarh. Madhya Pradesh rare black panther is spotted in Pench Tiger Reserve. Nearly about 2,000 pigs is affected by African swine disease in Rewa and in span of 2 weeks. Sad news. White tiger Kisan dies due to cancer in Maitri Bagh Zoo. Separated from mom, that is baby Jumbo, traumatized and injured. Forest officers and locals helps him to reunite. Secondly, Kuno National Park is the newly selected as a new selected home for 20 to 25 cheetahs. Thank you.
First of all, I want to thank all the students who have participated in this preparation of the newsletter, and I hope that you have enjoyed the work till you have done, and today you have told about all the processes that you have undergone, and I think you have learned a lot. This is a typical system of learning by doing, and I hope that we will continue this work for further. Thank you all.